in park, idling at about 600, maybe almost 650. Curious if the knock I'm hearing is normal. Let's open the hood. So I don't know if that's something that can be tuned out with a diesel purge or a valve adjustment or injectors. I've had a pre-purchase inspection already done, but I have not gone over the results yet with the mechanic. I just decided to drive it first. It's a 1991 350 SDL with a 1986 300 SDL engine. Engine only has 120,000 miles. Actually, the engine and drivetrain, and the car itself has 240,000. Rides real nice, steers real nice, but I just want to make sure that knock in there is not abnormal. Let me see if I can rev this up. I'm not sure where the throttle is, but it goes away when you rev it up. So you can see it kind of goes away when you rev it up. Anyway, interested in feedback. Thank you.